Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to compare two popular air fryers, Nuwave Brio 7-in-1 and GoWISE USA Digital Air Fryer. If you are looking for a healthier way to cook your favorite fried foods, then keep watching. Don't forget to like this video, comment your thoughts, and subscribe to our channel for more product reviews. Both air fryers have a modern and sleek design. Nuwave Brio has a cool white display that is easy to read in any light, while GoWISE USA Air Fryer has a modern touchscreen menu that includes a start-stop button and a built-in alarm function. On the left side of the screen, you can see the Nuwave Brio with its stainless steel reversible rack, and on the right, you can see the GoWISE USA Air Fryer with its basket divider accessory. Both air fryers offer multifunctionality. Nuwave Brio comes with 100 pre-programmed menu presets for grilling, air frying, baking, broiling, roasting, dehydrating, reheating, defrosting, toasting, and more. It also has additional 50 memory slots. GoWISE USA Air Fryer offers 8 pre-programmed cooking functions including fries, chips, pork, chicken, steak, shrimp, cake, fish, and pizza. You can also customize your cooking with manual controls. GoWISE USA Air Fryer has a wider temperature range from 180°F to 400°F, while Nuwave Brio offers fine-tuned temperature settings from 50° to 400° in precise 5° increments. Both air fryers are great for cooking healthier versions of your favorite fried foods. With Nuwave Brio, you can cook crispy, delicious fried foods without any added oils or calories. GoWISE USA Air Fryer offers rapid air technology that allows you to cook with little to no oil. Both are easy to clean and dishwasher safe. In terms of price, Nuwave Brio is priced at $109 US, while GoWISE USA Air Fryer is priced at $73 US. Both come with a 30-day money-back guarantee and 1-year warranty. However, registered GoWISE USA products receive an additional 60 days of coverage. That's our comparison of Nuwave Brio 7-in-1 air fryer oven and GoWISE USA Digital Air Fryer. Both are great options depending on what you're looking for. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, comment down below, and subscribe to our channel for more product reviews. See you in the next video.